Hi, my name is John, and I've been RVing for over 40 years. And here's how I connect my RV's tow bar to my vehicle. First, I park on a level surface. I pull straight behind the motorhome with my vehicle. I lower the tow bar down from the RV and connect the tow bar's telescoping arms and put the pins through. I also attach the safety cable. I connect the breakaway cable and plug the wiring harness directly into the vehicle. I then test the signals, the lights, and the brakes. I hit the road. That's it. I hope this quick video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments below what kind of vehicle you drive and how you tow it. And that's how I make towing a breeze.